How to remove OpenShot from PC. Uninstalling OpenShot from your computer is straightforward. First, make sure OpenShot is completely closed, no running processes in the background. Then, in the search bar of the PC, type in OpenShot. Here you can see the uninstall button, tap on it, and the windows will open. A list of apps will appear. Search for OpenShot and click on the three dots in the corner. Once you tap on it, you can see the uninstall button here. Tap on uninstall. A confirmation window will appear. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. After the uninstall finishes, you can check if any OpenShot related folders or files remain, usually in your documents or program files folder, and delete those manually if you want a clean removal. Back up your OpenShot project files before uninstalling so you don't lose any important work. Have you uninstalled programs before that left files behind? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to restart your computer after uninstalling to finalize the process. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.